Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Inkscape SVG error. First, launch Inkscape and open the SVG file that is causing the error. Here, pay attention to any messages that appear when opening the file, as they can give clues about what is wrong. Then, use the Cleanup Document tool by going to the File menu and selecting Cleanup Document. This will remove unused definitions, broken references, and extra metadata. After that, save the file and try reopening it to see if the issue is resolved. Now, check for problematic elements, which often include clipping paths, masks, embedded raster images, and unsupported fonts or filters. To fix this, select the objects and uncrown them. Then, remove any hidden layers or stray objects. If there are unsupported fonts, replace them with system fonts to prevent rendering errors. After that, convert objects to paths. Some errors happen with text or shapes, so select the object and convert it by choosing Path, then Object to Path. This ensures that Inkscape can interpret the shapes correctly. Next, simplify complex paths by going to Path and then Simplify. This reduces the number of nodes and can prevent rendering issues, but make sure to use it carefully so the shapes remain accurate. Then, save your file correctly by choosing Save As and selecting Plain SVG. Avoid using the Inkscape SVG format if you plan to open the file in other applications, because Plain SVG increases compatibility and reduces errors. Finally, you can use free online tools to validate the SVG syntax. If the validator finds any issues, fix them manually in Inkscape by adjusting objects, paths, or metadata. After following all these steps, your SVG file should open without errors. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.